I'm taking on a tour today of a multi-generational home. It's a 1993 home that's been completely gutted and remodeled into 3 different separate places to live. I'm going to have the cabinet guy go ahead and show us around. He was heavily involved in this remodel, as well as this home is for sale. Go ahead and check out the description for additional details.
Up to an upstairs loft. Up at the top there's a door that can be locked and it turns into a rentable. Okay, so this is a hidden butler pantry.
So your husband's in the cabinet?
It's meant to blend in with the cabinets. In here we have a dishwasher that washes the dishes and produce and fruit. We've got a storage area up here for knickknacks that's lit. We encase all of our microwaves. This happens to be a coffee maker, and you'll see a microwave downstairs that's encased. This ladder was built to be able to access the cabinets. And then this just goes into an office, which is actually a smaller bedroom that they're using as an office right now, in the master bedroom. And bathroom. And closet. We also do closets. And that can stay open because we put some magnets to hold it. This door weighs about 175 pounds. But it's been put on a piano hinge, so it's very light, filling. So this is the TV room. This is part of the main space. Over here in the corner is the door that can be closed. That's the entrance to the apartment that, you know, it can be left open and the main family can live in there as well. Got another bathroom here on the left, which is accessible by the bedroom as well as the living space out here. So this is the kitchen area for this apartment down here. And the main living space. So we have a bathroom here that can be used by the main room here. These doors lock off where it kind of, they have access to this room here for the exercise room. We're going into a bedroom. So this is probably the main bedroom down here in this area. So if you had the whole unit, you basically have what, 6 bedrooms? Is that what we counted? You should go out on the deck too and see what the views are out there. This door closes, locks, to keep you downstairs.
The main living area down there.
Yeah.
Apartment in here.
This has some cool backsplash rock too.
Oh yeah, that is a cool backsplash.
This is another hidden butler pantry, or a hidden pantry. That door is usually closed, but they want people to see it. We have a bathroom that's accessible from the living space as well as the bedroom. Walk-in closet. And in the back we have a swim pool,
Yeah, they've got a swim spa here.
Swim spa.
Really good one too.
along with sauna over here and a nice plunge outside.